Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video, I just want to create a quick video about how to apply a salary loan in SSS. Alright? So, sobrang dali lang mag-apply ng SSS loan at saka less hassle na kasi you don't need to go to your employer office uh, to ask for an SSS form. All you have to do is um, fill out the form in the website of SSS and just wait for the approval and then wait for the check to release by your employer. Alright, so let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is punta lang tayo sa google.com. So google.com, and then all you have to do is type sss.gov.ph. Alright, and then the first result would be the one that you're going to click on. Alright, just click on that one and then you'll be taken to this page right here. Alright, so this is the official website of SSS. Right, so as you can see, I'm already logged in, so I'm going to log out for now. That way you can have better understanding what's the website looks like without you logging in. So this is the interface of the website the first time you visit it. The first thing that you're going to see here is this one right here, the login information. So member login and the employer login. So since we are member login, so we have to click on member login. So my credentials is already pre-filled in here. As you can see, I have the user ID and my password is already filled in. If you have an account already, then you can just automatically log into your account. But if you don't have an account yet, then all you have to do is register an account. So I'm going to show you right now how to register your account. So all you have to do is click this button right here, says not yet registered, and my SSS, then click here. So all you have to do is click this button right here, and then this will take you to this page right here. Alright, so you have 5 options. So you can register through your savings account that is registered in the SSS, or you can also register using your mobile number, your UMID card, which is I did, and then the employer ID or household employer ID. I don't know what that is, but that's the option that you have in here. And then the last one is the payment reference number. I really don't have idea what that is, but for this demonstration purposes, we're going to click on UMID card. We're going to assume that you have a UMID card, but if you don't have a UMID card ID, then you may want to apply the UMID card or use this mobile number that you registered in the SSS. Right, so for now we're just going to click on UMID card, and then this will take us to this better page right here that's loading slowly. Alright, so we're just going to wait while this thing is loading. Okay, so this is the form of the SSS membership application. So all you have to do is fill in the necessary information right here. Alright, so you have to fill in your CRN. So the CRN or SSS number, so if you memorize or you have a copy of your SSS number, then you have to enter or input the number in here. All right, so that's the next one is the email address. So you have to make sure that the email address that you're going to use in this field is active, right? Because they will be sending you a notification or confirmation or verification message, right, that will allow you to activate your account. All right, and then the next one is your user ID. So make sure that you will um, you will not forget the user ID and the password that you're going to enter in the form. All right, because in the future purposes, those are the credentials that you will be using to log into your account. All right, and then you're going to uh, input another information right here, your last name, your first name, your middle name. So it's really important that your information is typed in correctly, because if information that you type is incorrectly, then SSS will not approve your application. Alright, so make sure that you tama yung mga information na nilagay nyo dito, lalo na sa mga spellings, kasi sobrang case sensitive ng form. They do this because for the security purposes. Alright, so fill in your last name, your first name, your middle name, and then your birth date, and then your mailing address. So this is the present address, the mailing address where you want to send the check. But usually, if the check is released, usually they will be sending this check to your employer. So all you have to do is go to your employer to claim the check. All right, so but this is necessary. You will need to input the place where you are living right now, so the room, floor, or building number, apartment, so the house and lot and block, street, and then the subdivision. All right, so if you are in Metro Manila, you can click this choices option right here. If you are in the province, then you can choose this button province right here, and then you can select all the provinces at this where you are located right now, right? And then the UMID card, then this is the municipality, the barangay. So all you have to do is basically fill in those necessary information right here, so you can create your account in SSS. All right, so that's it. The mother's maiden name. So the mother's maiden name is really important that you enter the correct information right here. So I just want to quickly tell you about this. So the mother's maiden name. So this is the name of your mother when she's single. All right. So the last name is the last name when she's single, and then the first name, and then the middle name. All right. So it's really important that you enter this information correctly. All right. And then just copy and paste this. Just copy this word that says brain right here in this box. All right. Then once you're happy with all those information that you've entered in the form, then you can just basically click on accept the terms and condition, and then click on submit. All right. So after that, SSS will send you an email to your email address that you've just entered in the form. So all you have to do is click on that email and click the link in that email. So I am not going to do that because I've already done that in the past. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on that link. That looks something like this, but this is not the correct email that the SSS will send to you during your account application. Alright, so all you have to do is click on the link that the SSS will send to you, and then verify your account. So once you have verified your account, then you can just now log into your account. Alright, so we're going to assume that you have already created an account, and then we're going to log into our account. Alright, so I'm going to click on SSS Loan account, and then you're going to click to input your credentials, your user ID, and your password, and then click on submit. Alright, so we are now in our account. So as you can see, you have different options right here. You can also update your membership profile, the e-services, and your payment reference. I don't know what that is, but I'm going to. So for this demonstration purposes, we are talking about salary loan application. So we're going to hover over to e-services, and then you're going to look for apply for a salary loan. So we're going to click on this one, apply for a salary loan. All right. If you don't know if you are eligible for a salary loan application, then you can refer to the requirements in here. Later on in this video, I'm going to show you what is the requirements in applying for SSS loan. Alright, so as you can see, my application is rejected because I still have a loan that is currently not yet finished. I can't apply for a cash loan. Alright, so but basically all you have to do is click on e-services and apply for a cash loan, so you can know if you are eligible or not, right? Since this is automated, and you can automatically know exactly whether you are eligible or not. All right. If you don't know what is the eligibility requirements when during the SSS application, then you may want to refer to their salary loan eligibility requirements documents. That way you can have better understanding if you are eligible or not in the salary loan application. Alright, so we are in this page right here. So as you can see all the salary loan overview. So a cash loan is granted only to unemployed or currently self-employed paying their membership voluntarily. And then if you're going to click on eligibility requirements, then you can see all the details in here. Alright, so this one right here, eligibility requirements. Alright, so you can just basically read all the requirements of the salary loan. That way you can have better idea if you are eligible or not. Right, you can also click on how to apply. This will guide you on how to apply your salary loan SSS Loan Online. Alright, go back to home and then go to your SSS account. So this is your SSS account. Go to your e-services and click on apply for a cash loan. So if you're going to click on apply for a cash loan, this page will pop up, and then you can exactly know if you are eligible or not. Then if you're not eligible, then this thing will show you. Right, I don't know what are the reasons if you are rejected, but the reason why I am rejected because I already still have an outstanding balance with my SSS loan. But if you are eligible, then there will be a button that you can click on to proceed to your SSS loan application right here. Alright, all you have to do is click on that button and then proceed to the application process. Alright, and then they will be sending you an email again saying that you're going to wait while your employer will going to approve your application and verify your application. Alright, so all you have to do is go to sss.gov.ph and then log into your account. If you don't have an account, then create an account, and then once you are in your account, you can see in this page right here, you can go to Eservices, and this will take you to this very page right here that looks something like this. Then if you have an account, then if you are eligible for salary loan, then there will be a button right here, or this should be any other next step or procedure that you're going to see here once you are eligible for the loan application. But if you don't have, or if you are rejected during the application, in your application right here, I don't have any idea what are the reasons, but in my application I am still have an outstanding balance. That's why they denied my application. Alright, so that's it. That's basically how you can apply an SSS loan online, guys. And thank you so much for watching this quick video, and talk to you soon. Bye for now.